Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today attended the World Environment Day 2026 program at Mawrah in East Khasi Hills, reaffirming the state government's commitment to environmental conservation, sustainable tourism and community-led development. Organized by the Tourism Department and the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA under the theme Inspired by Nature for Climate for Our Future, the program brought together government officials and community leaders and residents to promote environmental stewardship and sustainable development. During the event, the Chief Minister distributed Green Meghalaya checks to beneficiaries under the state's Payment for Ecosystem Services PES initiative, which incentivizes communities and individuals for their efforts in protecting and managing natural resources. He also unveiled newly developed eco-cottages and the glass house restaurant at Mawrah Lake, aimed at boosting ecotourism while creating sustainable livelihood opportunities for local communities. The Chief Minister further participated in a plantation drive using the Miyawaki method to support ecological restoration and the growth of dense native forests. Addressing the gathering, Sangma called for a stronger people-centric approach in government programs, stating that citizens and community members should be recognized and honored rather than public representatives and officials. He said instructions would be issued to departments to ensure that future government events focus on celebrating citizens. Speaking on the new tourism facilities, the Chief Minister described them as among the most unique attractions in Meghalaya and said they would provide visitors with a memorable experience. However, he stressed that tourism development must go beyond physical infrastructure and remain rooted in community participation and environmental responsibility. Marking World Environment Day, Sangma urged citizens to view environmental conservation as a year-round responsibility rather than a one-day observance. Sora MLA Gavin Miguel thanked the Chief Minister for attending the program and inaugurating the tourism facilities. He described Mawrah as a model village and highlighted its achievements in water conservation and environmental stewardship through collective community efforts. Chief Secretary Shakil P. Ahmed emphasized that World Environment Day should be marked by tangible environmental outcomes rather than symbolic activities, while Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Vijay Kumar D. highlighted Meghalaya's progress in environmental conservation and sustainable development. Sardar of Mawrah, Franksni Nogrum welcomed the gathering and expressed gratitude to the government for its continued support towards environmental conservation and tourism development in the area. Officials from the Tourism Department, MBMA, Soil and Water Conservation Department, District Administration, local leaders, student communities, members and media representatives were also present.
Millions of cubics of liters of water is being stored here. The different water supply and requirements of the village are being supplied from here. The vegetation has increased. This has become a tourism spot which has led to livelihood. And today I'm very happy that we are able to inaugurate these cottages and the glass restaurant, which I can tell you is one of the most unique restaurants and one of the most unique cottages that we have in the entire state. And truly this will be an experience where the tourist will really thrive and really would desire to come and experience. But as I have always mentioned to all of you, that tourism is not just about infrastructure. Tourism is not just about a restaurant or a cottage. Tourism is about an experience. It's about the experience that the tourist goes through. And we may have the best restaurant and the best infrastructure. But if you do not have the best hospitality, it won't make any difference. As I always tell people, that a hospital is just a building. It is the doctors, the nurses, and the staff who provide the care. It is them who converts that building into a hospital because of their care. And second and most important is that what the village today here is doing is a true example of what community and government together can do to make a difference in people's lives and to be able to make a difference in governance and also to be able to make a difference to the environment. For anybody who comes here today to see this small reservoir and this spring, it looks quite nice and quite normal. But I'm sure that the officials from the Soil Conservation Department, the local people from this village, they have a very different picture. Because none of this was there a few years back. The overall vegetation and forestation had completely depleted. And the story of Mawrah was just like many other thousands of villages across our state. But today, because of the efforts of the community and the efforts of the Soil Conservation Department and other related departments, Mawrah is leading by example.